Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you the weekly forecast of this week. I'm going to cover only 5 different currencies, so the thing that I'm going to do is to analyze the market and give you the possible outcome from this week. So without any further, let's get into the video right now. Well, here we are, the chart. So basically, the thing that I'm going to do is just analyze the market, and after that I'm going to give you the possible outcomes. So I'm going to start to analyze the market. We are currently in this currency, so we are actually in the 4-hour time frame. I will go to 1 hour, to 1 day, sorry. So after that I'm just going to start analyzing the price, just looking for support resistance areas and good possible candlestick patterns, and just see the price action. So after that I will show you the possible outcome and the thing that I will do for this week basically in my trades. So let's go. Alright, I have my call. So basically, if we go to 4 hour, we can see actually what is the price making. So as you can see, it was here the first touch, the second and the third touch. So what is happening right now, as you can see, it's like bouncing the price in this area, in this range. So in all of this range, the price is just bouncing, as you can see. So basically, well, let me put this down. All right. So in my perspective, the price is going, the price has touched this area again. So the price is going to touch this resistance. So what I'm going to do basically, if we go to 1 hour, we are going to see what happened actually. As you can see, it was in a consolidation zone in this area, and then a little bit up, then the price just breaks and go all the way down until reach again this support area. It was a third touch, as you can see, and then a bullish engulfing candle, a little retracement with this little hammer, we can say, and then another bullish engulfing candle. So the price just started to go a little bit up. We can say that it's like a pullback, but the thing is that the price is going to bounce and is going to keep going all the way up until reach this resistance, right? So basically what I'm going to do is just wait until see that the price make a little retracement the next couple hours when the markets open. So we can say that the price is going to go a little down, and then we're going to see basically in the 50 chart minute a little of candlestick pattern. We can say that the price just make a little retracement. As you can see, these little of weak candles, then the price, let me just draw it. So the price just make a little retracement and then make again a bullish multi-candle or any kind of candlestick pattern, and then we enter here, let's say after the candlestick pattern, right? So then we go to long, right? So the chances are higher. So what I'm going to do basically is just wait until see that the pattern has made. So if we go to 1 hour, we're going to see that our possible outcome and our take profit is going to be almost 150, 120, 130 pips versus 50 pips of stop loss. So basically this could be a good outcome for this week in this currency. So the thing is that we have to only wait until see the clear signal to enter, right? So this is for this currency. Let's go to the next one. I will do the same thing, and after that I just going to explain it what happened and what is going to happen, right? Alright, we have our possible outcome here. So if we go to 4 hour, we are going to see that the price has made this beautiful channel, right? As you can see, it was the first touch, second, third, and so on, right? So basically what is happening right now and what is going to happen in the future, well, let me tell you that the price, as you can see, touched this resistance from the channel and then just a little impulse and then a little retracement again. And let me show you this in 1 hour and you will see clearly this. As you can see, it was this touch, and after that just the price just goes down, retracement again, this in beautiful bearish engulfing candle, as you can see. So then the price just started to go down. So what is happening? The prices just keep going all the way down until it reach this support, right? So basically the thing that I will do here Let me put this here. So as you can see, our possible target or profit gain, it would be almost 80 pips. Our stop loss is going to be 30 pips. We don't want to risk more about it because the price also, it can go up, because as you can see in one day, the price has just made this beautiful bullish engulfing candle. So then the price just made a little of bearish engulfing candle. But what is happening here? As you can see, the price is so close from this support. It's a daily support, so it has good importance for me and for the markets too. So basically, if we go to 4 hour, we only have to see, to be more comfortable about it, to see that this candle, the next one, is just like another red candle that confirms this. And also in 1 hour, another, it could be another big red candle about it. So just wait until see this kind of movement. We see this, a little retracement when touches this resistance from their moving average, and then another, we can say, candlestick pattern, and then we can enter here. So basically enter, and we are going to gain these kind of pips, but we have to be so comfortable about it, right? So let me put this here. This is actually the possible outcome from this week, from this currency. Let's go to the next one, and I will do the same thing. Alright, we have our possible outcome here. So basically, if we go to 4 hour, well, one day, we're going to see that the price is, it could be like in this range, as you can see, in this range for a couple of days, almost months, let's say. So basically, if we go to 4 hour, we're going to see the price in a better chance to get into it. So basically, the possible outcome here, as you can see, this one, the first touch, second touch, third touch, and then the price just goes down, touch this support area, just make a little of weak candles without any possible decision about what or where to go. So basically, the thing here is that the price, we have to wait until see a clear signal that the price just start to increase the value to go up. So what I like to see, basically here, we are in this range actually. So let me put this here. We go to 1 hour to see better this thing. As you can see, we are actually in a consolidation zone here. A lot of sandwich candles and that kind of thing. So this is no good for the all. So basically, we have to wait until see that the price just or breaks this support or just starts to go up. So basically, we have to see until, or we have to enter basically, if the price just starts to go up, see that the price just touch or resistance from the moving average, breaks, retest, and start to go up. we enter after a retest, right? Or if the price just breaks down and another retest, and then we enter here to go short, right? These are the basically possible options. So our target will be, we can say that 100 pips this area, because if this closes, as you can see in one day time frame, you can see that the price has just decided to go down, as you can see. And if we go to 4-hour, we're going to see the same thing. So we only have to wait until see the clear signal to go short or long. So just start your entry when you see the clear signal, right? So let's go to the next one. Alright, we have here our possible outcomes. So basically what is happening here, as you can see, the price just started or decided to go up, and then it was affected, as you can see here. The price just goes all the way down until it reach this area, and then the price just again go up, fake out, and start to go down. So basically what is happening here, as you can see, if we go to 1 hour, we are going to see, alright, the price just made all of these bearish candle, as you can see, so big. So currently here the price is going to make a little retracement. As you can see, the price, this movement was with a huge momentum. So it's maybe the price maybe basically in a exhausted mode. So basically what is happening here currently is going to be in a consolidation zone, and then a little bit retracement. A big retracement, and can be also a big retracement again and make a fake out, or just make a little retracement to this area, or maybe to this, and then the price just start to go all the way down. So basically, if we decide to enter in the retracement, because it's going to happen, we actually need to find a good bullish engulfing candle or any kind of candlestick pattern that confirms this entry, and go live for 30 pips or one take profit. We can usually use this kind of entry with a different take profits. So our stop loss, it will be basically with 20 pips. We don't want to risk much, and in this sense the price is in a consolidation zone, or so it's exhausted. The price is just going to keep going a little bit up, and then it's going to go down if the price decides to do it, right? So our take profit 1, it will be 30 pips. Take profit 2 are like 50 pips, or take profit 3 will be this resistance area that it will be almost 93 pips. So it will be a good possible entry. So the only thing that we have to do is go to 15 minutes and find the good candlestick pattern that confirms my entry. Let's say that the price just make a bullish engulfing candle here, and then we enter here, and then just the price try to go up if those. So this is the possible outcome from this week. So we are here, let's see. Alright, we have actually decided our possible outcome. So if we go to this, the 4-hour time frame, as you can see here, this was a fake out, right? So what happened? The price just breaks, make a little retracement, and maybe like a retest, but the price didn't make it, right? The price make a fake out and then started to go down, and then the price is in this currently area. So what I'm going to do here, as you can see, this is a good 4-hour. We go to 1 hour, and we're going to see basically what is happening here. As you can see, the price is in consolidation zone, so close, and also touching or moving average, as you can see here, right? So what is happening right now? Well, our possible entry is going to be, or is going to go actually short, right? So the price just goes down, consolidation zone. What could happen in the next possible hours? Well, basically the price just make a little of more big candles, like we can say like a bullish candles. So, or maybe the price just start to go down with bearish candles, and then the only thing that we have to wait is just the bearish engulfing candle, right? If we go and if we see a bearish engulfing candle, we enter here basically. Let me change this out to this, and yeah, so basically what I like to see is the price just make a bearish engulfing candle. We enter basically in the close of the bearish engulfing candle. Let's say that it's here, this area. Let's go to 4-hour. You actually can use many different take profits, right? You can use 3, 4, or only 1. It's just up to you. We're going to use this resistance area as our target. So our possible outcome, it will be almost 120 pips, and our stop loss is going to be, we go to 1 hour. Yeah, it's perfectly well here. Above of our moving average, as you can see, it could be like 50 pips, 52 pips. Our target, possible take profit, almost 120 pips, right? So you only have to wait until see the clear bearish engulfing candle or any kind of candlestick pattern that reveals the possible outcome and possible movement for the market. So well, this is the possible outcome from all of these currencies. Well, this is basically all for this video. As you can see, there will be good movements from this week. So my advice to you is basically that just follow your strategy, just be in the present moment when you are trading, and also be and feel comfortable with yourself and with your strategy, right? So, and use a good risk reward too. So basically this is all for this video. I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.